Hi, I'm Christopher Summer with the American Red Cross. Here are some quick tips for you and your family to use during the event of an earthquake. 3 things to remember is to drop, take cover, and hold on. Ideally, you're going to want to find some structurally sound object like a desk or a table to get underneath. Once you're underneath, make sure you hold on, you make sure your head and torso are adequately protected, and stay there for the duration of the earthquake. One common misconception that people have is that a doorway is a safe place to be during an earthquake. This isn't true for a couple of reasons. One, a doorway isn't always the strongest place in a structure, and the second reason is that while the ground is shifting, the door can swing back and forth and can cause injuries to your hand and limbs. For more information, please use our Earthquake app, which puts all this information right in the palm of your hand and is free to download for your Android and iPhone mobile device. And as always, visit us at redcross.org for more information. I'm Christopher Summer. Stay safe, Oklahoma.